What's up guys, my name is Joachim. Today I'm going to show you my favorite summer photos from 2021 and this year so far. If you like to support me, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. But now let's start with the video. So that's it with the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Tell me in the comments what you thought about those photos, and I see you in the next video. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface.